Welcome back to another video. Hope you are having a great day. This is the Aiper Scuba S1, which is a pool vacuum cleaner that will allow us to spend more time in there and less time outside cleaning. Over the past 2 weeks, it helped me to transform a somewhat dirty pool into a very clean one. And today I'm going to share with you the experience that I had with it, the things that I love about, and probably one thing that I would love to see improved. One of the things that I really enjoy in the Aiper S1 is that it's wireless, it's cordless, so that is just awesome. My previous vacuum cleaner had a cord that, even though it didn't get tangled too much, it was a little bothersome, especially while it was cleaning at the same time that we were at the pool. And since the cord was about 20 meters or so, it was always a hassle to store it. We had to pull up the cleaner and also the cord, so it would be a bit messy. In this particular case, no wires, we just need to remove it when we need, and if we don't, it can just be there even while we are swimming. This makes a huge difference and probably my favorite feature. Now, it can clean areas up to 150 square meters and pools of various shapes, whether in ground like this one right over here or above ground. This area that I've got, it's about 40 square meters, so the Aiper Scuba S1 has no trouble at all and has a very strong suction with a fine filter that can capture the breeze. One type of debris it picks up a lot is beach sand. I do live near the beach, so this is a really common issue right over here. It is a very fine sand, and of course it also picks other debris and trash that gets on the bottom of the pool. The only thing that the filter doesn't pick up is that really fine sediment that settles when we treat the pool at the beginning of the season. I did that and I did test, and hopefully you can see some images right over there that we can clearly see that the dust is finer than the filter capacity. And that was the only time that I needed to vacuum to drain manually and remove the dust. Everything else, since the state that you have seen at the beginning until now, it was all done with the Aiper Scuba S1. I should note that my pool needs some maintenance, actually more than some, and the stones are coming off. But this is something that has nothing to do with the vacuum. They come off even without using the vacuum, even if we do it manually. Now, another interesting situation is the cleaning of the side walls. It grips really well with these rubber wheels and can clean the waterline and walls just in a spectacular way. And the behavior that we can see is because the software that Aiper uses to ensure that the Scuba S1 doesn't waste much time and follow an efficient cleaning pattern. Now, there are 4 different modes that we can use. The normal one, which will clean the walls and also the floor. One which only cleans the walls. One which only cleans the floor or the bottom. And it also has an eco mode, which does a 45-minute cleaning, walls and floor, every 48 hours, which means that we will have 6 days, or during 6 days, in an interval of 2 days, a full clean without messing around. And the battery will be able to handle those 3 cycles, so a full week on a single charge. Now, if we use it continuously, the battery will last 2 hours and a half, and it will recharge in 3 hours more or less. And although the motor is not visible, it is a brushless motor that will minimize energy usage, which will allow us to have the 2.5 hours usage, and besides that, it will have a bigger durability. But this is not only with this brushless motor, this happens with any motor. It happens that the Aiper Scuba S1 has one, and that is great. If you ask whether the Aiper Scuba S1 will completely eliminate my need to be there cleaning, it will not. I would say that about 90 to 95% of the time that I would spend there, I'm no longer necessary. So those boring tasks on a daily usage that we need to clean the leaves and the sand, do a everyday cleaning or a 2 places cleaning, that will just be over. The only time that we need to do an intervention is if we have, like I did at the beginning of the season, that really fine sediments, and in that particular case the filter is just not capable, and I would say that it's 5% of my time cleaning. The other 95% Aiper Scuba S1 is doing just a great job. And as you could see by some images, the pool was really bad, and at this moment is so clean, and thanks to the Scuba S1 I was able to have a lot of free time while he was doing the hard job. Hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video and enjoyed to know a little bit better about the Aiper Scuba S1. I will leave links down below so that you can check out all the specifications, prices and so on. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.